Self-talk statements for weight loss. Simple, positive weight loss without extreme diets or coercion, but with some personal responsibility and a positive attitude towards oneself. Scripts created and spoken by neuroleadership coach Rob Botts. I lose weight easily and effortlessly because I take good care of myself, and it feels wonderful. My body responds positively to my good choices, and I'm grateful for that. I eat only as much as my body truly needs, and I feel pleasantly satisfied afterwards. I enjoy healthy food that makes me feel great, and I can sense it giving me new energy. My weight is dropping naturally, and I'm happy with every small step I take. I take full responsibility for my body and my health, and that makes me proud. I do not eat out of boredom or frustration, but only when I'm truly hungry, and that gives me a good feeling. I choose foods that boost my energy and vitality, and I enjoy every bite. I enjoy celebrating each step on my journey to my ideal weight, and every day brings me closer to it. I feel comfortable and confident about my body, and this sense of well-being motivates me. I eat mindfully and enjoy every bite, and that makes my food taste even better. My eating habits reflect my self-respect, and that builds my confidence. I let go of old habits that no longer serve me, and it feels freeing. I enjoy moving with joy and lightness, and my body thanks me for it. Reflecting on this inspires me to stay on track, and I smile when I see myself in the mirror. I choose the right portions for my body, and afterward I feel light and satisfied as well. I don't need an extreme diet to reach my goal, and I'm enjoying this relaxed approach. My body adjusts naturally to my healthy lifestyle, and I feel the change every day. I eat slowly and listen to my body, and that makes me enjoy my food even more. I eat to nourish myself, not to compensate for any feelings. And this approach gives me inner peace. I love feeling light, energetic, and alive. And that feeling keeps me motivated. Every small success fuels my motivation, and I'm proud of myself. I stay calm and trust the process, and that makes the journey pleasant. My body thanks me for my conscious decisions, and I feel it in every cell. I know the difference between hunger and appetite, and that frees me from old patterns. I value my body and only give it the best, which feels like a loving thing to do. I'm proud of my self-control and clarity, and that gives me inner strength. I enjoy my new body feeling, and I love feeling this way. I'm happy about the fact that looking good is a natural result of my regular positive self-talk. My well-being grows with every day I treat myself well, and I'm grateful for this progress. I wish you every success with this method, which will enable you to lose weight easily without any strain. Thanks for listening.